Can two consenting adults sword fight to the death? Now, once upon a time, dueling was incredibly popular, especially amongst members of the gentry. It was seen as a valid dispute resolution mechanism by which two people could fight to usually the blood in order to resolve a matter of honor. There was a whole system around dueling. So basically you would choose pistols or sabers, you would meet, you would offer satisfaction, in which case giving the other person the chance to apologize. If they refused, you would then usually fight to the blood, which was the first person to bleed, meant that the duel was done. And there was a lot to this. People had seconds who were kind of their backup. They would meet, there'd be a doctor on site. There's a great song in Hamilton about this exact thing. You can probably consent to boxing one another. You can consent to any lawful activity within the remit of rules you can consent to. But when it comes to taking of another life, that's not lawful. And there's no consent that can be given that will absolve the taking of a life in a deliberate fashion, which is essentially what we're suggesting here. So no, even consenting adults, even adults who want that, cannot engage in a fight to the death lawfully. Now, if you are fighting someone and it ends up being that way, perhaps you can argue provocation, which takes it from murder to manslaughter, but just don't do that. Follow me for more legal TikTok.